Hey guys, it's Michael again. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to become a preferred provider for a hospital, right? A lot of people are trying to get into the hospitals, and I'm going to share some tips with you guys on what you need to do. But always understand that the most important thing is to be able to watch a lot of our videos all through our training in order to be able to be more successful. So please watch this quick video. Now let's go ahead and make sure we get started so we can help you kind of get into the hospitals that everybody wants to be in. To be able to get your home health agency as a preferred provider for a hospital, to be able to be that home health agency, right, in that list of providers that those discharge planners and social workers show patients before they get discharged to home, can be a growing task and be so amazing, right? So how do you get in there? What I want you to do is I want you to be able to make sure that you follow up hard, that you do something different that makes you stand out among the rest of the home health agencies out there. Countless times I've heard all of them where, you know, these agencies will only call once but never even follow back, right? Until I am starting to get referrals from these hospitals, I do my best to make sure that I make some point of contact every single week. I make sure that I try to move up on the level. I try to go above the social worker, above the DON, above the administrator. I want to be able to make sure that I work so hard because I know that if I work hard enough in these hospitals, I will be able to beat the other agencies that are actually not working as hard as my agency. So one thing is happening nowadays. Hospitals are actually making it harder and harder for a lot of agencies to be able to come in and enter those preferred provider lists. They actually want so many applications filled out. They ask for so many things from your brochures, from your packets, from your proof of insurance, proof of liability. Anything that they can ask for, they keep on asking, right? So they even ask you to attend some of their seminars. They even may ask you to create presentations and make a presentation to the board or to the other discharge planners within the facility. And when they finally are able to set you up for that presentation, they set it up 6 to 7 months way far ahead for you. Now, I actually have a step-by-step process on how I actually have done it in the past, how I've got agencies into these hospital lists, and I want to be able to share that with you guys. So make sure you keep us a call, just give us a call here, or just join our 10xpatientreferrals.com website to be able to get that full set of information on how to be able to get into that list. So let me share some tips that you should do, right? If you want to get into the list of those preferred providers in the hospitals. Number one, just ask. Ask to be on the list. Make sure you give them a call. So many agencies out there that I have met never even bothered, never even picked up that phone just to make that initial phone call. You need to ask first. And sometimes if you ask nicely, you're going to be able to get in there. It just depends on the hospital. Number two, email. Find out who the point of contact is in that facility, who their manager is, who is above their manager, and send out those emails. Send out some of those snail mails. Put a card in there. Put a Post-it note in there. You need to be able to make sure that you keep contacting them until they let you in. The next thing is board of directors. Hospitals have board of directors. They all do. Give them a call. Send them a letter. Give them an email. Find them in LinkedIn. Send them an instant message. If you get their cell phone number, send them a text, send them a meme. You want to be able to become top of mind, and don't stop by just making that first phone call. Just because you got to know, that does not mean you stop. I have taught this so many times to people. Normally, before you get a yes, it will take you to have to do some persistence. Yes. If you're not aware, it takes sometimes 5 to 7 tries before you get what you wanted. Now, the next thing is this: if that hospital is being a little rough and you're doing everything that I actually taught you, you've been calling, following up, emails, walking in the door, just trying to see them. Let's say you've done everything. If you wanted to do this next step, go call your State Department. That's another choice you can actually. But this may put you at risk being red flagged, and they might actually not like you even more. But if you really want to take it to the next level, you can technically put a complaint. But honestly, if you show persistence, if you actually have a product and you actually believe in it and show these companies, these hospitals, these social workers and discharge planners that you have more services that can make you stand out and provide better care for the patient and to keep them away from the hospital after they've been discharged, you're going to be able to get referrals. One thing you should also do is provide educational-based marketing materials. Show them proof that you have reduced the readmission rates. Show them that your infection quality control is really amazing. Show them that you offer services like ortho, right, specialty, cardiac specialties, diabetes programs, telehealth. If you can actually show them these and be able to present this correctly, that is what's going to make you stand out. That's why we teach this. We literally have a full course that shows you and teaches you how to do a presentation, how to close properly, how to just within a few minutes making that quick, beautiful elevator pitch, or to be able to get that 30-minute presentation in front of them that shows to them how amazing your company is. Our goal here in this company is to be able to get you guys more referrals, to give you guys more success. Let me ask this question. Why should you be in that hospital list? Are you going to answer me the same stuff where you provide skilled nursing, physical therapy, occupational therapy, you have amazing staff members, you provide quality care, that they can reach you at any time, that you're open every day 24/7? Guess what? Everybody has said the same exact thing. Because why? Those are the same services that are being offered by your company and other companies. Now, the question you have to ask yourself is, how can you actually create more services and more programs that makes you stand out? How can you actually make a custom presentation just meant for that particular hospital? You guys have to understand that marketing is about creating the need for your services and customizing that to make them feel like it's only for them, that they're lucky enough to be able to have you. You have to start differentiating your company. And I've even seen companies out there who does not even have a website. Or if they do have a website, it's pretty much like a half-assed website from the 1980s look almost. You guys have to start looking in further. And like I said, we do have a full course on how to be able to get into hospitals, how to get into nursing homes. And that's within our 10xpatientreferrals.com website, okay? But if you're watching this video, that means you more than likely have joined us already. If there's any question, please leave a comment down below. Once again, this is Michael. Thank you so much, guys, for everything. Always understand that home health marketing is easy when you know what you're doing.